All right, we had an electronic bird. Now, wherever there's birds, there's cats. Cats love to kill birds. So this is the electronic cat, project number 458. And it's very similar to the other circuit. Let's zoom in on that. It has that output stage that we saw before with the 3D wiring. It does have a little bit different section for the oscillator. It has that capacitor across the windings. It has the feedback with the capacitor feeding back into the base of the NPN transistor. And it has biasing for the transistor, but this time there's no biasing to ground. It's just biased positive, so there's some current flowing in the emitter. And there's a variable resistor, so I guess we can change the neuter of the cat or something, make him sound high pitch or low pitch. And then there's a 100 microfarad capacitor here that will create some type of change in the sound at a slower rate. There'll be a pitch and then there'll be a change in the envelope due to that. And it uses a push button switch now instead of a on-off switch. So I guess every time you push the button it meows. So let's get it up and built here. I've got it already built. It is the same weird three-dimensional wiring over here on that section. It also is a bit funny. When you do this three-dimensional stuff, to get things to the right height, there are these, so there's different lengths. There's a 2 length and there's a 3 length, and the snaps are only on the ends, not in the center, so that's why they can get away with this three-dimensional wiring, but the snaps are only at the ends. And then there are these 1 snaps that only change the height. They really don't do anything other than bring things up to the level that you need them at in order to complete your wiring. Now sometimes you don't have enough of these number 1s, like I didn't. I think some were missing when I got the kit, and even then it makes some things difficult. If you take a look at the actual diagram, this is actually how they have you have it wired. Some of the modules go down, and so these two are at slopes to one another, just kind of ugly looking, but it all snaps together, so things do work. So let's see here. Let's push the button and see if it meows. So you hear it go a constant tone, then when I let go, it ramps down. So that's what this 100 microfarad capacitor here is doing, is that ramp down. I guess that kind of sounds like a cat. Now we can change the tone of the cat. Oh my goodness. Sounds like somebody playing the violin. Bad cat. Let's see if I have any contact cleaner. Oh, here we go. Right over my shoulder here. All right, let's put some contact cleaner on this. On this thing. See if that doesn't fix it. A little bit. Still needs some cleaner in there. Probably not the highest quality potentiometer. It's a little bit raspy down there. Lovely sounds. Anyway, there you go. Electronic cat.